Hello guys, so today we're going to be setting up a Proxmox server. Now this here is the desktop of a Dell XPS, and it's pretty quiet, and so that's why I feel like it's probably the best computer I have to run as Proxmox, because it's quiet and it's not loud, and it has pretty decent specs. We've got i7-6700, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 256GB SSD. So those are all pretty decent specs and will be good enough for 1 or 2 virtual machines, which is all I really need. So let's go into BIOS and let's set up this motherboard. Okay, so I think we need to enable VTX. See if we can find it. Virtualization stuff is enabled already. I'm also going to disable secure boot. Okay, now I need to go create a ISO for Proxmox. So I've plugged our installer to the PC, so let's save changes and reset, and let's see if we boot from it. Here we go. So let's boot from the USB hard drive. Okay, so I'm assuming we should just do graphic. Okay, we are in. I agree. Yep, that's my SSD down there, so that's good. I'll fill these out and then we'll see what the next menu is. Okay, so this is the next menu, and it's asking for management interface. That's Wi-Fi, and that's, I assume that's the Ethernet. Is that one there? Oh, let me search up what I need to put in. Okay, so hopefully this will work now. Yay! Alright, I guess now we just wait as everything installs. And there we go. Okay, so once the server has been set up, and this is the IP address of mine, you have to add this to the end of the IP address for some reason. I'm gonna go create a new VM. I'm gonna call it Windows 11. And we're going to go to my big server. So it's full of storage, there's plenty of storage. And we'll do the Windows 11 ISO. We'll set this to Windows. Next. Next, disks. This size. Let's put it 64. Storage, yeah, we'll do it locally. SATA. Yeah. Bandwidth, yeah, no limits. CPUs, we're gonna do 4 cores. And we'll give this 8 gigs. Yeah, everything seems about right. Here we go, and we can connect to the machine. We can go full screen. And so that's about it. We've now got basically a virtual machine over the network. So now it runs on the PC that I set it up with. This is all over Ethernet, so it's pretty responsive. There's not much latency. I'm able to use it quite quickly. You know, it just shows how easy someone can set up a Proxmox server. I don't even know much about it. All I did was just a little bit of research, install the ISOs and everything, and it was off and running. Now there was a bit of extra config for adding the ISO bits, where I had to use my file server. I had to connect it to that, but it was fairly straightforward, and it basically all works now, and I'm able to run the OS off that machine. So anyways guys, I know this video may be a bit short, but anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.